Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the serene and highly desirable neighborhood of Clover Cottage, Mandeville, is this exquisite two-story residence that offers the ultimate blend of luxury, convenience, and tranquility. It is perfectly positioned within walking distance of top-tier schools. This home is a haven for families, prioritizing education and community. Property highlights include five bedrooms, including a lavish master suite with a private ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, serene garden views, three and a half bathrooms, a main floor lounge for entertaining, and a cozy upstairs family room for intimate gatherings. A generously sized kitchen with hardwood cabinetry and ample counter space. The dining area is perfect for family meals or hosting friends. There are two expansive balconies, expansive backyard, elegant hardwood stair rails, and floors for timeless appeal. Private garage with additional storage and a dedicated laundry and washroom area. This is a peaceful residential enclave sitting on 0.26 acres with easy access to Mandeville's vibrant amenities. This house was also recently reduced in price, so please call now to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 40 million or US, $253,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.